This is how I know I'm getting old. I just asked our next guest if she knows that song. She said, well, you're never too old or too young to start your own business. Just ask Shanna Alexis. She started dabbling in entrepreneurship when she was only 5 years old. Fast forward 5 years later, almost six, right? She handles her own soap making business. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Well, you look absolutely beautiful and very perky in the morning.
Thank you.
How early you had to wake up this morning to get here?
About 5 o'clock.
So you want to sleep now?
Yes.
All right, well, let's talk about the soap. Maybe that will wake you up a little bit.
Okay.
When did you decide that you were going to just start making your own money?
When I heard about Moreland's camp, I said I wanted to go, but it was for a lot of money, and my parents said they're not paying for it.
I know your mommy, she would say that.
So I decided to make my own business and make my own money to pay for camp.
Okay, so, but didn't your parents have to give you money to start the business? Or they
Yes,
asked you
they
to give
did.
them back?
They actually gave me the money.
Wonderful. So you know you have to take care of them when they get old, right?
Yes.
Not knowing, no, they're not old yet. They'll soon get old. All right, so tell me what you started doing when you decided, okay, soap. How did you make the decision that you wanted to do soap?
I saw an ingredient in a store, and I asked the cashier what it was made for, what it was used for, and they said it was used to make soap. So I went home, did research, and started the business.
Research.
Yes.
What kind of research did you do?
I researched how to make it and different types, and then I started.
Wow, you just decided, okay, this is it. I'm going to get the stuff and I'm going to make some soap.
Yes.
What is your favorite scent or flavor, as I like to call it, of soap that you make?
I would say the mango scented one.
The mango scented one.
Yes.
So, all right, tell me a little tips of a secret. What do you put in the soap to make it smell like the things you say it smell like? You actually cut off a piece of mango and put it in the soap?
No.
No? What do you do?
I use essential oils.
Mm-hmm. And who buys your soap?
People who come out and support me.
They just decide, okay, you're super cute. I'm going to support her because her soap is awesome, right? Okay, so tell me a little bit about the ones that you brought for us to take a look at. This one smells very yummy. What's that?
This is cloves and cocoa.
Cloves and cocoa.
Yes.
What a mix. I've never heard anybody use that in soap before. Why did you do that one?
Because I read that I actually got cocoa from my mother's friend who went to Guyana. So I asked mommy if it was safe to put in there, and then I mixed it in there.
And
made
it just came out awesome because this
Yes.
smells yummy. Like I smelled it and I was like, oh yes, smells like food. And I noticed that you have very different molds that you use. So even though you have them nicely packaged and in plastic with wonderful wrappers, you also have some decorative ones. So it's the same scent,
Yes.
but you just decided to use a different way to package it.
Yes.
So do kids like this more?
Yes.
What was this one about?
So my mother's friend had a baby shower, and she asked if I could make some soaps as favors,
Aw.
and I said yes, but it was obviously for a price.
They say you don't do free work.
No.
So, okay, how much would you charge if I wanted to get favors for a birthday party?
It depends on how many you want and what you want put in there.
Okay, so you charge based on ingredients and amount.
Yes.
Wonderful. You look like you're going to be very rich. Mommy, keep the money. You want mommy to keep the money?
No.
No. So who will manage the money until you can manage it?
Me?
Well, there you go. She don't need anybody to manage her money. How would you get other young people like yourself to make money like you? What would you tell them?
I would tell them, if you want to get money to start something, don't ask your parents, don't beg your parents. Just ask them if you could start a business and make your money.
Make your own money.
Yes.
Last question. Did you get enough money to go to Morelands?
Yes, I did.
Woo! Yay! And I know you're young and awesome and hip, so you have Instagram pages on all of these wonderful things, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell us the handle so we can find you.
So the contact number is 876-441-4074. And on Instagram, it's Bell Essentials by Shanna. And on Facebook, it's Bell Essentials by Shanna.
Well, there you go. She's got more money than me, and she's only 11. Thank you so much for coming, Madame Colley,
You're welcome.
founder of Bell Essentials, Shanna Alexis Colley. Stay with us to meet another winner in the I'm Her Biggest Fan competition. Let me see if we can get some soap.